Hello, Year 2. This week, our sound is R. Can you say that with me after 2? 1, 2. R. Now, we can't have Geraldine this week because sometimes Geraldine says sounds a little bit different to us. And R is one of these sounds. So instead, this week you have Miss Bannister to look at our R sound. Now I've got some words on my board that use this sound. And remember, this sound is made up of 2 letters. But we can put those 2 letters together to make one sound, our R sound. So on our words, I have drawn a line where we see our R sound to help us sound it out. Do you think you could help me to sound out some of these words? Let's have a go. We'll start with this one. R, Let's do it again and make our sounds a bit longer this time. R, One more time. Arm. Do you know what that word is? Well done if you said it's the word arm. This word says arm. Let's have a go at the next one. Are you ready? B, R, N. Let's do it again and make our sounds longer this time. B, arn. One more time. B, arn. Have you figured out what that word is? Well done if you figured out that it's the word barn, like on a farm, barn. Okay, now I've got 2 words and I haven't put the dots or the lines underneath. Can you point to where I would need to put our line? Where can you see R on this word? There it is. Well done if you spotted it. And I need a dot just here. Are you ready? You might already know what this word is without sounding it out, but let's have a go anyway. K-R. Can you figure that one out already? I'm sure most of you can. Let's have one more go. K-R. Have you figured out what it is? It's the word car. Well done. And we've got one more here. It's a tricky one, so are you ready? I need a dot here, a dot here. There's our R sound, and a dot here. Okay, let's go. Arm. Let's have another go. Arm. One more time. Alarm. Have you figured out what that word is? Well done if you figured out that it's the word alarm. Now, I'm going to show you further down on my board. I've got some more words, but they are missing our R sound. I wonder, could you write these words out on a piece of paper and fill in the R sound where you see the line? Can you figure out what these words say? You have a go at this by yourself. You could pause the video if you need some time to fill in the sounds. Have a go with those sounds and then restart the video in a little minute to see if you've figured out what the word is. Okay, so I have filled in the R sound on each of these words, and I hope you have too with your words. I wonder, will you be able to figure out what these words say? I'm going to point to each sound, but I'm not going to sound it out this time. I want you to have a go yourself. Are you ready? We'll start over here, after 2. Have another go. Do you know what that word is? I'll sound it out with you this time. Arm. Well done if you figured out that it's the word farm. What about this one? One more time. I'll do it with you this time. Star. What do you think that word is? Well done if you figured out that it's the word star. I've even got one drawn on my board up here. Now let's have a look at this word. Now down here in this word we have another sound that's made up of 2 letters. Can you spot a sound that you know in this word? Point to it if you can. It's this sound at the very start. What does that sound say? It says shh. So this word has lots of letters, but it's really only 3 sounds that we already know. Let's have a go at this one together. Sh, arp. One more time. Sharp. What do you think that word might be? Well done if you figured out that it's the word sharp. And we've got one more, and you'll definitely be able to do this one yourself. I'm not even going to move my lips this time. It's all up to you. Are you ready? After 2. 1, 2. Have another go. Have you figured out what that one is? If you have figured it out, I want you to record yourself saying that word out loud and send it to me or to Miss Wallace so that we can hear if you have figured out what this word is. Once we've done all this, you can have a go at your activity in your phonics booklet as well if you want to. See you all soon. Bye.